The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome Camper is not just a vehicle, it is the pinnacle of what happens when automotive luxury meets limitless freedom. Imagine taking the opulence of a 5-star Maybach limousine and transforming it into a rolling palace on wheels, designed to carry you not only to your next destination but into a lifestyle of pure indulgence. This is not simply travel, it is the definition of arriving in style. From the outside, the Maybach motorhome immediately dominates the road with its unmistakable presence. The signature Maybach grille, finished in chrome, stretches wide and tall at the front, flanked by digital LED headlights that look like they belong on a luxury yacht more than a camper. The body is sculpted with clean, aerodynamic lines that make this giant machine glide with grace. At over 40 feet long, it has the imposing stance of a luxury bus, yet every angle whispers refinement. The Maybach emblem gleams proudly, leaving no doubt that this is a class apart from anything you've seen in the motorhome world. Step inside, and you are transported into a space that redefines the meaning of a luxury interior. The living lounge is dressed in hand-stitched Nappa leather, polished wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents. Ambient lighting, customizable across 64 colors, sets the perfect mood whether you're entertaining guests or winding down after a day of exploration. Every seat is not just a seat, it's a Maybach executive recliner, fully adjustable with built-in massage, ventilation, and even heated armrests. The cabin feels like a private jet, except here, you can stretch out, relax, and actually call it home. The kitchen is designed like a gourmet studio. With marble countertops, concealed smart induction burners, a wine chiller, and a refrigerator that adjusts its temperature based on what you store, cooking on the road has never felt so refined. Even the cabinets are soft close and lined with velvet, ensuring no sound disturbs the silence of your journey. The master suite is where the Maybach name truly comes alive. A king-sized bed dressed in premium memory foam and Maybach-stitched linens awaits you, while the ceiling above can transform into either a starlight night sky or a 4K display panel. The bedroom also features walk-in closet space, giving you the luxury of carrying your wardrobe anywhere you desire. Next door, the spa-inspired bathroom features a rainfall shower with aromatherapy, a heated towel rack, and even voice-controlled mirrors that display your calendar or weather while you get ready. Technology flows seamlessly throughout this motorhome. A full smart home system lets you control lighting, climate, entertainment, and security all from your phone or voice commands. Multiple 8K OLED displays are mounted in the lounge, bedroom, and even the kitchen. A built-in surround sound system from Burmester delivers concert-like audio whether you're watching a movie, streaming music, or simply enjoying the quiet luxury of your environment. But the Maybach motorhome is not just about the luxury inside, it's about the performance that takes you wherever you want to go. Powered by a twin-turbocharged V12 engine combined with hybrid assistance, it produces astonishing torque, allowing this mansion on wheels to glide effortlessly across highways and mountain passes. Air suspension ensures that even on rugged roads, you feel nothing but smooth sailing. Solar panels integrated on the roof provide additional energy for onboard systems, making it efficient for long off-grid stays. Owning the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is not just about having a camper. It's about commanding the ultimate statement in lifestyle, combining the freedom of travel with the level of luxury once reserved for royalty. Wherever you go, this motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is an experience, a sanctuary, and a masterpiece of design and engineering. This is not just Mercedes. This is not just Maybach. This is the 2026 Maybach Motorhome Camper, the absolute definition of luxury on wheels.